How to buy the Fusion AI token. So before we start, this is not financial advice. I am not professional or economic expert. So before investing in any project that you find on my channel, please do your own research. Now, before going and buy this token, just make sure to check the Rex account and keep following the update about this token. Now, this token is available on the screen as you can see. And the liquidity here is 98% are locked. That means your investment in the safe place. And this token, it's increased by 31,000% in the last 24 hours. Now, as you can see, this token is under Ethereum network. Now, to be able to buy this token, just copy the token address and go and open your Bitkit wallet. And after that, go to your wallet, and from here, just select the Ethereum as a network and click on this plus icon. Now, paste the token address here. And as you can see, this is our token. Just click on plus icon here. Now go back to your wallet and find this token. And after that, click on it and now click on swap, switch it from here, and here select the token that you want to buy with, for example, USDT. Now make sure you have enough USDT on your wallet. Now type here how much you want to buy. Wait a few seconds. As you can see, this is the how much you will receive. Now so that it's simple, just click on buy and you will be able to buy this token. So this is how to buy the Fusion AI token. If you find this very helpful, please like and subscribe. See you in the next video.